Hello, Excel Explorer. Are you excited to explore the world of the spreadsheet with the mastery of Pro? We are launching our Excel journey with the most essential tips, tricks, and terms you need to know. Buckle up, we are about to turbocharge your Excel skills. Let's launch into our journey by exploring core concepts that are building blocks of your Excel adventure. Now, let's talk shortcuts. These are like secret codes to navigate Excel faster. For example, some basic shortcuts for copy, paste, undo, redo. You are well aware of them. Let me give you example. For example, I copied some text from ABCD. I just go to there, press Control plus C, go to the cell, Control plus V. Control plus C is for copy, Control plus V is for paste. If you want to undo these, just press Ctrl plus Z. It's undo. If you want redo, just press Ctrl plus Y. You all are well aware of these building blocks of Excel. They are like your Excel superpowers. But wait, there is more. But don't worry. These are the building blocks of Excel greatness. Now, let's spice things up with some super shortcuts. First of all, we have Control plus arrow keys to jump to the edges of data. Let me show you some example. For example, here is I have sheet of shift view. I just want data of month July up to week 6. So I want to delete all the data beneath week 6. So I just select it. By doing mouse, it takes too much time. For example, I select it and go down. If all the cells are filled up to no idea how long it is data, so it takes too much time. We have a super shortcut at there. Just go to your cell, press Ctrl and Shift and right arrow. It will select all the data which is available, which is filled it did not select whole row. It just select the data up to your last column. Now again press down arrow. It will select all the rows in which data is entered, and now like press del key. Boom, your whole sheet is ready according to your requirements. Here I have another amazing shortcut which will save your whole time. For example, you have a work chart for your employees. I have a work chart for my employees. I just want to replace all the daytime duties which is represented by D with evening E. So you can see there is a lot of D in my sheet. I don't want to do it manually, which takes too much time. I just press Ctrl plus F with my keyboard. A small find and replace pop-up box open. Go to replace. I want to replace D with E. E for evening. I just click find all. It will find all the D in my data set. I just click replace all. Like it will show me we made 151 replacements. Close. Like see, all the daytime shifts are replaced by evening with just 2 to 3 steps. By manually it takes too much time to update one by one each, so I just replace it in few seconds. Here I have another amazing shortcut which is using in our daily life continuously. For example, it's my worksheet, so I want to place date and time there, which is current date and time. I don't add it again and again manually. I just go to my keyboard, press Ctrl plus semicolon button. Boom, it will enter the current date. Like if I want to add time, just press Ctrl Shift semicolon. It will add current time. Okay, let's move to another amazing shortcut. For example, I have to add my workers performance in percentages in this row. So for example, I add it performance. So I want to add there. I want all these performances in percentages. I don't want to add percentage one by one to each cell. I just select my data where I want percentage. I go to my keyboard, press Ctrl Shift 5, like boom. Now every time I enter data, for example, it is 98, so it will be converted into percentage. Wait, you have to convert like this, 0.97, so it will be converted into percentages. Whatever you want to put. Congratulations, Excel champs! You have unlocked some major Excel secrets today. Remember, practice makes man perfect. And before you go, I have a challenge for you. Try using at least 3 shortcuts every time you are in Excel. That's it for now. If you enjoyed this turbocharged Excel boost, hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting Excel adventures. Keep exploring, keep learning, and until next time, stay Excel savvy.